Hi, Ethna Irving, Deputy CEO at the Australian Dental Association Federal Office. Recently, you would have received communication from the Therapeutic Goods Administration in relation to custom-made or patient-matched medical devices. You will recall last year that there was a proposal by the TGA to make every dentist a manufacturer. Because we asked you all to register last year as we advocated for the changes, the TGA now has your details on file, and that's why you've received the email. But unless you are truly manufacturing something with materials that are not on the ARTG, or you're not sponsoring materials by bringing them in from another country, then you don't need to do anything at this point in time. If you have any further concerns, please reach out to me or to any of the branches who will be able to talk you through what's happening. As always, the ADA is here for you at all times.